I remember the day bullying became more than just a word to me. It was personal, raw, and overwhelming. But then, I discovered an ancient shield forged in the crucible of Greek philosophy, a shield called Stoicism. Imagine, if you will, an ancient Greek landscape bathed in the soft golden hues of the setting sun. The air is filled with a sense of timelessness, as if the echoes of ancient philosophers still resonate in the gentle breeze. At the heart of this idyllic scene stands a majestic temple, its white marble columns reaching toward the heavens. This temple is not just a structure, it's a sanctuary of wisdom, representing the enduring philosophy of Stoicism. Now, let's bring this timeless wisdom into our modern world. How can it shield us and our children from the storms of bullying? Meet Dennis, a high school student facing daily ridicule from a group of classmates.
I can't control their words, but I can control my reaction. I am more than their taunts. My worth is not determined by their opinions.
By applying Stoic principles, Dennis learns to control his reactions, maintaining his composure despite the hurtful words. This newfound resilience discourages the bullies, as they no longer see his reactions as a source of amusement. Dennis's inner strength becomes his shield against their taunts. As Dennis continues to practice Stoicism, he finds strength not just against bullies, but in all aspects of his life. His newfound resilience empowers him to face challenges head-on, helping others in pursuing his interests with confidence. But Stoicism isn't just for students. In the workplace, we find Marco, constantly criticized by his supervisor.
I can't change my supervisor's behavior, but I can focus on improving my own work. My value is not determined by others' opinions, but by my own efforts and growth.
Marco practices the dichotomy of control, recognizing what he can and cannot influence. Over time, Marco's dedication and composure lead to a promotion, illustrating how Stoicism can empower individuals to rise above adversity. With his newfound success and inner peace, Marco finds balance in his life. He now has time for personal growth, relationships, and even mentoring others. Stoicism has not only improved his career, but has enriched his entire life. Now, picture a classroom where Mrs. Simon witnesses bullying among her students.
How can I foster a safer environment? What role do I play in this? I may not control the students' actions, but I can guide them towards empathy and understanding.
Applying Stoic self-examination, she reflects on her role in creating a positive atmosphere. Mrs. Simon evolves her teaching methods, emphasizing empathy and communication. As a result, her students learn to respect differences, and bullying incidents decrease. This demonstrates how Stoic self-examination leads to personal growth and positive change, even for those witnessing bullying. And what about us, as parents? Let's consider Susanna, who discovers her child is a victim of bullying.
I may not be able to control the bully, but I can build a support network for my child. We'll face this together, and I'll teach them resilience through my actions and words.
Susanna seeks guidance from school authorities, support groups, and her own friends. Through this network, she gains valuable insights and strategies to address the issue effectively. Susanna's supportive circle becomes her shield, helping her child navigate the storm of bullying. You see, Stoicism isn't just about enduring hardship. It's about finding the strength within ourselves to face any storm. So, the next time you or your child face the tempest of bullying, remember the ancient wisdom that has weathered millennia. This is the true strength of Stoicism, a strength that has endured for centuries and will continue to light our way forward. So, let us carry this ancient wisdom into our modern battles, standing strong against bullying, one Stoic shield at a time.